Hi guys, welcome to Java with Yusuf. So in this tutorial, we will learn about Lambda expression in real time. So this topic is very important for the interview room as well and for real time perspective as well. Because the reason is when Java 8 evaluation come into the market, if you don't know about functional interface and Lambda expression, you cannot move forward for other concepts. So previously I have covered functional interface. If you have not watched, please go to my playlist. The first video will be functional interface. So now this will be the second tutorial of this playlist, Lambda expression in real time. So coming to the first topic, I have listed on all the topics what we are going to cover. The first topic will be what is Lambda expression. The second will be why Lambda expression. The third will be when Lambda expression. The fourth topic will be a relationship between Lambda expression and functional interface. The fifth topic will be why functional interface having one abstract method. The sixth is how to call functional interface. The seventh topic is advantages of Lambda expression. And the last topic, what we're going to cover is real-time problems and solution. So guys, keep you in the full energy because we are going to become a master in Lambda expression. So just let's start. Now, already I have created a functional interface in the last video, right? If you all guys remember. So I have created full name function interface, which consists of one abstract method creating full name. It having the two parameters. The first is last name and the second is gender. These both are string data type. Okay, fine. And it is returning a string and the modifier is public. So and the first question comes, what is Lambda expression? Very short. First, I'm telling the definition and we will go in a deep and dive. Very short answer. Please listen carefully. Lambda expression is used for providing implementation to the abstract method of functional interface in Java 8. Have you guys listened what I'm telling? Come on, guys. Come in the full energy and what I'm telling, please listen those things. It's a very important, the golden lines in one statement. The Lambda expression is useful for providing the implementation to the abstract method of functional interface. If anybody will tell you how we are providing the implementation to the abstract method, how we are doing before, right? We are creating a class and then we are implementing with that interface and we are overriding that abstract method. We are providing the implementation to abstract method and we are writing the logic. Those whole drama we are doing before, right? But now we will see how we are doing here. Okay, so let me forget about functional interface. Just see there is an abstract method how I'm going to implement. Let me create in a class. We will try to write before a traditional course. Pardon. We will try to write a traditional coding first before Java 8. How we are doing this? How we are providing the uh, implementation to an abstract method, even though you forget about functional interface also for timing. Then we will see how we are converting this whole scene into a Java 8 Lambda expression. So let me create one class. This is a class. Let me write the name, full name impl. And now I will implement. What is the basic rule, guys? You know, right? First, we are writing implements keyword, and then we will write full name function interface. So now what I'm doing, I'm just implementing this interface. You know? So we have to add all unimplemented method. So this is the method I have override. So now guys, what is the first step? The first step, please listen carefully. The first step, if you want to provide implementation to abstract method of any interface, this interface, right? This abstract method, you need to create one class. Then you need to write one implements keyword and then the name of the interface. This is the basic knowledge of object-oriented programming. Correct, guys? Then the second step, you need to override the method. The method, which method? This method, right? This method because this is abstract method. No use of abstract method if you're not providing the implementation. There is no any use, right? So here we are going to provide the implementation. Okay. So now I already told I will try to correlate everything with the real time. Okay, not like a normal tutorial, just came with a question and done all the answers. No, man, I'm not going to do like that. So what I'm going to do means you just assume in a company, right? If you are in a company, you got a task, right? If you got a task, they are giving a feature to develop you. Okay, when you will get a feature to develop, then you need to analyze that feature. You need to do a brainstorming on that. You need to understand all the scenarios, positive scenarios or negative scenarios. Then you are going to implement. So what is here? What is feature? First question is coming, right? Very small. Feature. What do you mean by feature? Feature is just see Flipkart or Amazon. You are seeing all the products. No, you are searching for mobile. When you click on enter, you are getting all the mobile phone on your screen. That is a feature, guys. To view all the mobile phones or products on the screen, that is called a feature. If you're using a mobile phone in net banking, you want to see your amount, no? You want to see the balance. So checking the balance is also a feature. So in our example, what we having a feature, creating full name. This is a feature. Okay, and always try to give the good name, meaningful name of your method, of your parameter. See, this is our method, right? Creating full name, it's a meaningful name. If any programmer will see, they can understand we have a method which is going to give you the output of this method will be a full name. So this method will create a full name. So this having the two parameters, the first is last name and the second is gender. Okay, so always to give always a camel case. This is the standard of the real time industries, guys. Fine. So we need to create a feature here. What will be the feature? The question comes. You will ask with your team leader. What will be the what is? I understood creating full name, but can you please elaborate? So what is that? So on the basis of gender, we need to create a full name. So what will be the scenarios? Try to understand as a programmer. If you are doing a programming, we need to understand all the positive and negative scenarios. Then we can write the code. Don't start writing code like that. Always try to understand the scenarios. There will be three scenarios. Okay, there will be three scenarios in this statement, in this problem. Okay, in this feature, in this functionality. These all words are same, names are different. What will the first? If anybody is giving you gender as a male, है ना? If gender, let me write gender as a male. If user are giving gender as a male, the output should come Mr. Okay, we need to concatenate with the last name, Mr. Rahman. So see here, sorry, I have missed one thing. Last name. They will provide last name also, right? They will provide two things. Just take an example. They have provide gender as a male and last name as a Rahman. So what will be the output? Mr. Rahman. If they have given gender as a male, Mr. should come with dot. Okay. So copy this. These are called scenarios or use case, right? Now, if anybody is giving female, okay, and last name you can take Kumari, fine. So what should be the output? Mr.? No, how you're telling, man? It should be a Miss Kumari. Copy this Kumari and paste it there. Fine. So these two scenarios, one and two, these two scenarios are the positive use cases or positive scenarios. Fine. Now come to the negative scenarios. What can be the negative scenario? Guys, think, come on. The negative scenario, let me copy paste. I have copy pasted earlier, right? No. We'll copy again. Yeah. If anybody have given gender as something like this, okay, or ABC, anything can happen. A programmer have to understand all the scenarios. They have to think out of the box. So maybe gender can be ABC and they have given name anything, Kumari or something Kumar. Okay, they have given a Kumar, but gender is ABC. Are you thinking ABC is any gender in the whole world or any other planet? No, man. So how you are going to decide Mr. or Miss? We have to decide this Mr. or Miss on the basis of the valid gender. If it is male means Mr. If it is female means Miss. But here, what is the gender? ABC. Then what will be the output, man? No, we can't give. Sorry. Sorry. We will give one message. Sorry. Please enter valid gender. Okay, we will tell to the user, and I will show this message, error, exception, anything, whatever you want to tell. Sorry, please enter valid gender. Guys, I will try to cover one real time project as well, but let's start from this Java 8 tutorial. Okay, we'll go slowly. Many things we'll cover. So understand, guys, these will be the use case. If you understand what do you want to create a feature, Hana, you understood creating full name. When we go in a deep and dive, we will understand these will be the use cases on the basis of gender. Okay, now, come on. Now, what is the thought of the programmer after understanding and doing a brainstorming? Then the most important thing, he should not start the code again. He should visualize the code in his or her mind. Okay, like here, you all guys will understand. We need to write if else statement. Ana? That's why, when, what. That is very important. If you know if else statement, why if else statement, when if else statement, you can implement here. It's a basic thing. बच्चा वाला चीज है ना, कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. What that that's a thing I'm telling. So let me write here. You understood what we will write. Very small thing. On the basis of gender, we need to give the output. We will write if gender dot equals, we will write equals ignore case. Okay. Male, right? Male. If this statement is there, okay, fine, guys. Then if this statement is there, we will we will provide the wait. First, let me write is string full name, right? Full name is equals to, like this we will write. Don't write always null. है ना? This is also one thing. So just assign it. Full name is equals to Mr. Dot, है ना? Plus last name. Control space last name, right? Fine, guys. What is the second use case? Else if, guys. Now this one, copy this line. Always do not write everything. Just do a copy paste and modify the code. This is the way how we are working, right? This is the way. Sorry, I've done something wrong. Cut. No. Just cut this. What I'm doing, man. Control C, Control V. So now the second one is female, right? So this is for female. So first scenario we have covered for gender of male, Mr. Concatenation with the last name, and the second one is gender equals ignore case of female. Then it will become Miss, right? And then now again the last use case we are going to implement here. The last use case. Else. If they are not giving male, if they are not giving female, anything a part of that, we will return something, right? What we will return? Return some message. Sorry. Please enter valid gender. Fine. Just keep this thing in the right place. Fine. And do one thing here also. Write return. Directly we can give a return. So just comment this return. Return. Fine. Don't give this full name. See how we can optimize the thing. After writing, we think, no, we can optimize like this. So no use of line number 10. Why to write extra things? Why to assign the things? Directly we can return the string. So these are the things. Guys, I think you got. So very simple thing. This is the first use case. Line number first, we have implemented at line number 10 to 11th. In if condition, gender equals in case of male, then the last name will be Mr. Concatenation with the last name. If it is a female, then concatenation of Miss with the last name. And the last line number third, if gender is any invalid gender is coming, then our full name creation cannot be happen. That's why we are showing the error message. Sorry, please enter valid gender. So these are the use case we have covered. So now our tutorial is all about Lambda expression. This is not Lambda expression, guys. This is the basic traditional way how we are doing before Java 8, if you have any abstract method, just assume you have an interface. There's only one abstract method. If you want to provide the implementation, then you are going to provide the implementation in this way. We don't have any option, guys. We don't have any option. Now, first thing, you have provided the implementation, but if you don't call this implementation, then there is any use, guys? No, man, there is no any use. So we need to call this also. So I have created one test class here. We will call how we are calling before Java 8. Before Java 8, I'm telling, I'm just writing the traditional code, guys. We need to create, we are learning from बच्चा, right? बच्चे से पढ़ रहे हैं ना, क्या करेंगे अब यहाँ पे, उसके ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रिएट करेंगे, है ना. We will create an object, full name impl, always copy paste this. The variable name should reflect the data type, custom data type thing, what we are writing. I'm not telling predefined, custom. Okay, this is custom data type. Full name impl is equals to new full name impl semicolon. What I have done, I have created an object. I have created an object. Now, when I have created an object, I can call the non-static method by the reference. What is my create full name? This is the method. First is last name. I will give Rahman. So this is the last name. I am man. So I will give male. So let me write male, male, male. So now this is the return type. So it will give you something. Let me print it out. Let's sys out, control space. And just this return thing will be printed to the sysout line number 8. I'm printing here. Just delete extra lines. Syntax issues. Okay, fine. Control A, Control Shift F, Control S. So now let me run this fastly without wasting the time. I don't want to waste time more. So you can see now Mr. Rahman is coming, right? Just copy paste line number 7. We will cover other use case also. If any girl is there, she will give Kumari, right? Kumari. And you give female, right? Female. What will happen? We will run this and see the things. It should come Miss Kumari, right? It is coming. You can see Miss Kumari is coming. If any invalid data, invalid gender is coming, we should not get any full name creation things. We should get the exception message. We should give the error message, right? So we'll give Kumari only and we'll give ABC. She have not given a valid gender. So error will come. Let's see what is the error. Sorry, please enter valid gender. These are the three scenarios we have covered. So very important. First, we need to declare abstract method in the function interface. After doing all those things, we need to provide the implementation to the abstract method. So for that, we have to create a class and then we can provide the implementation. After providing the implementation, there is a no use if you're not calling that. That is our main achievement, right? You are building any code to call that. So we are calling in this test.java class these things, right? So now how to overcome, how to change all this thing into Java 8 Lambda expression. Let's start and change whole code. Because if you're providing Lambda expression means, you know, guys, this whole class we are going to delete. Full name implementation class will be gone. Then where we are writing Lambda? We are writing instead of these 4 lines, right? Creating object, calling the method. Instead of this, we will write a new logic of Lambda expression. That will be our main motto.